Hello. Today's recipe, we are going to make a chocolate chip PB&J banana sandwich.
This recipe is 1/4 cup creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips, 4 slices is whole wheat bread, 1 medium banana slice thin.
We are going to get the peanut butter, and then you're going to use a spoon and put it in here. Make sure you are watching. Just make sure you get all of that. Just, if you can't do that, just do this. There you go. Next, you're going to put the honey. You are going to put the cinnamon. Next, you're going to put 2 tablespoons of chocolate chip. Make sure it's tablespoons. Then what we're gonna do is mix it.
Now that we got that mixed up, we're gonna spread this mixture over these 2 slices of bread. So over here we got our 2 slices, and now we're gonna spread this. We're gonna spread it, but first we're gonna cut these bananas into thin slices.
We're going to put the peanut butter and the mixture. Make sure you spread it. It takes time.
Now we're gonna layer these bananas on the other side.
Right. Then you're gonna put this in here, and there you go. It's a sandwich.
And we're just gonna put this on our plate. Thank you for watching this.